Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to do a basic wrist tape, a figure 8 wrist tape, and then a thumb spica, which in turn is also called a lineman's tape job. So first off, you have your athlete stand. You spray them with Tough Skin all around. Have their fingers abducted and into your stomach, nice and tight and firm so that they don't move. Take the pre-wrap, go just above the ulnar styloid and start here. And go nice and around, nice. Just continuous, no wrinkles. Go over the pinky, come through the thumb, pinch it, and then on top and around. That's basically a figure 8. Then you take your white tape. And you're going to start right above this bone for your basic wrist. 1, half over, 2. Then you're going to angle it downward to get nice and tight around the wrist. 3, that's your basic wrist. And now we're going to go into the figure 8. So you're going to start half over. You're going to cut your wrist in half. So you hear the hand and then the wrist. There's a groove here. Cut that. You're going to come up over the thumb side. Come up high. Make sure there's no wrinkles. Come down on the pinky side. Underneath the hand. And you're going to come up. Pinch on the thumb because you don't want to get tape right in this area because it could cause tape cuts. And follow your pre-wrap. Go straight across and then wrap it around to lock it in right where you started. Okay? Then you're going to move their hand up and down, take the tape, and you're going to split it, not in half, just like 3/4. About that much, so you have a good amount of thumb. Tape job. Nice and tight. And then my stomach. You're going to pull. You're going to pinch it. And come underneath the thumb. And lay it on the pinky side. Pull. And lay on the other side. So rotate your hand this way so they can see it. Okay. Then you're going to go half up again. You do 3 of these. Underneath the thumb. No wrinkles. Then a third one. Okay, and so you can see underneath how the tape finishes right here on the IP joint. So now you can move your thumb still, so you can still catch the football. You have to check, is it too tight? Okay, fingers all the way out. Then you do your 3 C-strips. You're basically going from the end of the thumb and coming up. You take the tape and you push the thumb down and you attach anchor right here. C-strip goes around to another palm anchor. Nice and tight. 3 of these, layering half over, pushing down. 2. 3. And then you turn them back upside down, kind of squeeze that area, and then go back into another figure 8. See, I can see where my figure 8 was before, and I just kind of go over that. Up and around. Pinch it again where the thumb is. Locking in those C-strips, and then lock it in the figure 8. And then you do a reverse basic. So you go half, 1, 2, 3. And that's a thumb tape job, aka lineman's.